guys, Jeannie here and welcome back to my channel. So I'm about to bring you guys my CVS haul. So I'm doing a new format because you guys have asked me to show you guys my receipts. So I also went ahead and did little like flashcards to give you guys some So I also went ahead and wrote some little notes on flashcards. So if you guys want to screenshot like the breakdown, you guys can, since I have not been doing printable breakdowns for you guys. I'm so sorry for that. But I do have a little visual for you if you want to screenshot it, and then you can go ahead and replicate the deal if you would like. So I went into my transaction with a $3 beauty buck, and then I also had a 3 off 15 CVS coupon for cosmetics that I got actually from my email. So check your CVS emails and see if you got that beauty coupon that printed. So I'm just gonna share with you guys the deals that I picked up. So let's just get started. And then I also have a few letters that are gonna be going out. So I have one going to Jen, you know who you are, Myra B, and also Karen Jones. And there's one going out to Amy Stotts as well. I also have a few all coupons going out to my friend Jen here, designer Jen. So those are the few winners that I had went ahead and picked for the giveaway for the all detergents. But remember, you guys, I have so many coupons, so just keep on commenting that you want coupons, and I'm going to keep picking winners in every single video of mine until they have ran out. So if you want those all coupons, if you want those Eucerin coupons, then continue just to go ahead and comment. And also Vicky Fellers, I have those coming to you too. Remind me of your return address. You normally send me cards every week. I haven't checked my P.O. box, so I'm gonna go check my P.O. box probably on Tuesday. So I'll go ahead and just return some coupons to you from the cards that you send me. So now we're just gonna go ahead and hop into it. So again, if you want those all coupons or the Eucerin or Aquaphor, I have tons of them from my pediatrician. So just comment coupons and make sure you continue to be active in my comment section. And that is the best way you're going to get those coupons. And if you want them via Instagram, all you need to do is hashtag coupon giveaway Gina Schweppe and just tag me in any video that you screenshot of mine. And that's how you're gonna be able to get some coupons through Instagram. Heidi, those are gonna be coming out to you as well. So Heidi is my Instagram winner as well as Jen was an Instagram winner for me too. So that's how you're going to get those coupons from me. Alrighty guys, so the first deal I did was on the Physicians Formula and the Baby Lips. So the Physicians Formula highlighter palette, this guy was $15.79. And then I also got 2 of the Baby Lips. So these guys are priced for $4.94. So you're gonna spend $15, get a $10 extra care buck for the Physicians Formula. And then also when you buy 2 Maybelline cosmetics, you're going to get a $5 extra care buck, and everyone's getting that $3 instant coupon. So I also had a 3 off 15 beauty cosmetic coupon, and then I also had a beauty buck that I used, and I had the $10 extra care buck that I had from last week. So I paid $7.22 with tax, but then I got back $15 in extra care bucks. So I got $5 for the Baby Lips, and then I got $10 for the Physicians Formula, which then I rolled over to my next transaction. So I did the Irish Spring deal. So the Irish Spring, these guys are buy 3, get a $5 extra care buck. So I bought 3 of them, they're $3.99 each. And then I used 3 of the $1 off 1 coupons you can find in the 722 Smart Source. You can also send one to your CVS app. I haven't checked coupons.com, so you might be able to have a coupon that you can send to your card. You might be able to have a coupon you can print. And then I had a 2 off 8 CRT for body wash. So after coupons, extra care bucks, and all the coupons that I had, this came out free. And then I also did the Dawn detergent. So these guys are 99 cents. And then I used a 25-cent instant coupon. And then there was also a 25-cent load to CVS app coupon. So that was 49 cents. And then the all detergent, these guys are $2.99, and there's a $1 off 1 coupon in the 722 Red Plum, or you can send one to your CVS app, or you can keep commenting and win some coupons from my giveaway. So with this transaction, I used all the coupons I mentioned, and then I used that $10 extra care buck that I earned from my first transaction. So I ended up paying $2.94, and then I got back $5 in extra care bucks for the Irish Spring. So that cashed me out here. So I do work with 2 cards. I use my card and then I use my mom's card. I don't do it every single week, but on the week she's not going to CVS, then I basically just do her deals for her. So this next deal is on the Scope mouthwash, the Crest Scope mouthwash. So these guys are priced for $4.99, and there's a $2 CVS app only coupon you could send to your CVS app. If you don't know how to work the CVS app, I'll have the video linked below. I went through how to use it. So you would pay $2.99, and this week these guys are on a buy one, get a $3 extra care buck. So after the coupon and extra care buck, this guy came out to free. So I paid $3.92, but then I got back $4 in extra care bucks. So that's how that guy comes out free, which then I rolled to the soft soap deal. So soft soap, these guys are priced for $3.49. You're gonna get $1.75 extra care buck back when you buy one, and this is like a limit of 4, I think. So I bought 3 of them. I used 3 of the 75-cent off coupons from the 722 Smart Source. You can also send a 75-cent coupon to your CVS app. I was also working with a 2-up 8 CRT for body wash. So I ended up paying $3.88, and then I got $5.25 back for the body wash. Body wash no longer counts as beauty for CVS Beauty Club, so just keep that in mind. So then I rolled that $5.25 extra care buck, and I got another Dawn dish soap. So I got 2 of them actually. They were both 99 cents. So I used the instant 25-cent coupon, and then there was a load to card coupon. So I went ahead and picked 2 of them up because I like to have a good amount of stock of dish soap. So I always get it when it's on sale. And then I got 2 more of the all detergents. So they're $2.99. I used 1 of the $1 off 1 coupons that came in the red plum, and then I sent 1 to my CVS card. So that's how I use 2 of the all detergents in 1 transaction. So you send 1 to your card, and then you can use a insert coupon. So I paid 83 cents because I rolled that $5.25 extra care buck. So everything came out to 83 cents. Well, subtotal was 21, then I paid tax. So all of this was 81 cents. So this is my CVS haul, and this is how I roll my transactions. So hopefully you guys found this helpful, having a little bit of a visual and actually seeing my receipts. So let me know in the comments below if you guys prefer this type of setup of a CVS haul versus me just showing you stuff in the car. Like, if you guys like to see these little flashcard thingies, let me know, because I am here to help you guys. So if you're finding this is helpful, then I'm absolutely going to do this for you guys every single week, because honestly, it didn't take much time for me to actually do it. So I'm here to help you guys. So if visuals are ways that you guys can learn a little bit more on how to, get involved in this crazy couponing, then I am happy to do that. So I hope everyone has a fantastic Sunday. Don't forget to leave those comments telling me you want those all detergent coupons, because I'm picking winners in every single video. And oh crap, my cupboards are open again. I know, this is so annoying. You guys need to tell my husband to start closing the cupboards. It's so annoying, isn't it? So I hope everyone has a fantastic Sunday, and I will talk to everyone later. Bye.